Hi everyone, I'm Karen the librarian from the County Library's Riverton branch, and today my special guest is Sophie. Hi Sophie.
Hi.
So we've been at home practicing making different crafts, and we are now making no-sew crafts. Sophie, what kind of no-sew crafts have we made?
We have made no-sew bags from old t-shirts.
We've taken old t-shirts and made cool bags out of them just by cutting off the bottom and tying it, right? Today we're going to make some no-sew stuffies, I guess, and toys. You've got one that's really cute. What is this?
This is a no-sew bunny.
It's a no-sew bunny. What's it filled with?
It's filled with uncooked rice.
Uncooked rice. And I've made this droid. This droid is made with polyester fill on the inside, very simple, and we've used socks to make these. So let's get started. Sophie's going to give you directions and show you quickly how to make this cute bunny that does not require sewing. We don't have a sewing machine at home, so you just need some different supplies like rubber bands, a clean sock, twine, or again rubber bands, and some ribbon if you have it. If not, that's okay. And then you can either sew buttons on if you have thread and needle. Sophie made this really cute face. So let's get started. You've got this sock, and what are you going to do with it?
We're going to spread it out over this duct tape roll so it's easier to fill it.
We're going to fill it, and this duct tape roll just helps us open it. Okay, so get your uncooked rice. And, well, maybe this isn't going to work. Technical difficulties. Okay, there we go. Very good. And you can also use a jar or whatever. So you're going to fill your sock until you have kind of a shape. Let's show them the shape. Okay, for your body and your head. And you're going to go ahead and take 2 rubber bands. One for the body here, and then you're going to rubber band the head. Sophie's going to work on that while I show you really quickly the droid that I've made. So first I just took, this requires a sock, some felt if you have it. If you don't, markers are great. Paint, you can paint on the decorations. I use buttons and felt. And in the sock I have just polyester fabric fill, and I've got cardboard for the insert in the side of the head. And this was just from a box that I received from delivery. The felt, so I cut a circle. I took just maybe this vitamin jar and traced it and cut a circle. And it's about 1.5 inches across in diameter. And then that became my template for the felt. So I also cut some felt pieces for these circles. And let's get started. For this sock, you want to cut off, it's kind of a long sock. You want enough space and room so you can tie it. So I'm going to just cut off some of it so I can work with it a little bit easier.
Okay, I'm ready for the ears.
You ready for the ears? Okay, let's tell them. So here you see Sophie's used rubber bands to tie the body, and she shaped the head. That's a cute bunny. Go ahead. So what are you going to do here?
We're going to trim off some of the socks so we have like a good length for the ears.
Okay, so whatever length you want for the ears. Is that working? Here, why don't you hold it and I will do it.
Okay.
So something nice is also if you have sewing shears. If you don't and you only have regular shears, they're a little bit difficult. Have a grown-up help you. There you go. I'm going to give you those. So now what do you do?
Now we just cut down the middle to have 2 separate parts to the
Okay,
body.
so go ahead and you cut down the middle while I hold this for you. That's a little bit easier, huh? Okay, keep cutting one more. There you go. Oh, it's actually very cute. I like it.
Me too.
Okay, so for this droid, I'm going to get some fiber fill and open it up and just take a couple handfuls and stuff it. Oh, I like your bunny. Now what are you going to do?
Now we can sort of decorate it and put some ribbon around the areas with rubber band.
Awesome. So you finish decorating, and I'm going to hurry and show them how to make this. So I've stuffed it with just a little bit of filling. I'm going to put this cardboard insert inside, which gives it a flat surface for the head. And then you're just going to shape it, play around with it. Once you kind of get the shape that you want for the head, you can either tie it or, again, we've used rubber bands. We have these hair elastics that you can buy. They're tiny, clear, or black, and those are what we've been using, thanks, Madison, to tie the shape. So now, as you can see, it's gotten a really nice flat shape because of that cardboard. And Sophie's tying hers. Looks great. So I've got a few more handfuls of that stuffing. And to get my droid to sit the way I want, I've got just uncooked rice in a bag. I closed it with a rubber band. Again, no sew. All right. So how's it looking? Oh, it's great. It's been fun to stay at home and make different crafts with you. Okay, so this is pretty much the body, and you can play around with it, add more stuffing, take it away, try to get the shape you want, try to get the rice to sit a certain way. I'm going to finish it off this way so we can just show you quickly how to decorate it at home. And cut off the very bottom, but you know, there might be a little at the bottom that shows. If it does, if you have hot glue, go ahead and glue it. Glue something flat to hold it, or just play around with it, and most of it, like this one, won't show. This one happens to show a little bit, that's okay. So once you've got this, we just start cutting out felt circles. Again, if you don't have felt, you can paint or color with markers. It works just great on this sock. So I started cutting it, and while I finish cutting this, Sophs, you want to show us now?
Oh, sure. So to do the face, you can either hot glue or sew on buttons, or you can just use a marker and just draw on the face. So I'm just going to draw it on.
You're going to draw on the face. I love that. So I have finished cutting out just some shape I made up from looking at different photos and things, and I'm going to hot glue it onto here. And then I've got some button eyes that I will hot glue on. You don't mind, Sophs? Yep. Okay. And finally, we just want to remind everyone that we do miss you, and teens, if you are sad or lonely, I know that there are lifting restrictions, but there are always people for you to talk to. If you want to download the Safe Utah app, Safe UT, there's someone there available every single day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to talk. You can text or call for free. Parents, if you want to help your teens, you can download this and talk or text to someone and ask for help as well. So we want you to know that you are not alone. We're in this together. The county library is accepting book returns now. We've got lots of programs online. We've got family webcomics every Monday called Darth and Droids. We've got teen activities. We've got Anime Club, a lot of teen webcomics, Animal Crossing. You're not alone. We have a lot of cool things happening at the library. It's just digital right now, but we're still here, and we can't wait to see you and can't wait to meet you when you come back to the library. This is so cute. I love this, Sophie. And of course, if you want to twist and make the tail, you can. This is a perfect no-sew craft from Sophie. I love it. And we can't wait to see you at the library. Thanks for hanging out. See you later. Bye.